Hey, what's up guys? It's Pal Ben here down at Twig Cycles in Hagerstown, Maryland. And today I'm going to show you why the Polaris Glacier Plow setup is one of my favorite plow setups in the world. I'm going to show you how quick I can dismount that plow right now. Quick and easy. Now I can back away. I can store the plow away in the garage, put it back in the corner. We're done for the summertime. Now, if I want to go ahead and mount it back up, I'm going to show you how quick we can do that. Of the work. All done, that's all there is to it. Polaris Glacier plow setups are by far some of the most simple mounting systems in the market. We also have some plow setups from Moose Utility. They're a front mount plow setup. Undo the two cotter pins on the front of the plow mount, and that's all there is to it. You drop the winch cable, and that's all there is to it. If you want to take a closer look at this setup, so I'm going to drop the plow the whole way down. So whenever I'm doing this, I always like to leave a little bit of slack, because then all I gotta do, undo my winch. I can actually pull the winch back up in. And so, for some of you that are a little bit more fancy than others, if you have the Mac Daddy 3,500 pound Pro Synthetic HD winch, you might have the Bluetooth remote, so you don't have to reach up here like what I'm doing right now. But yeah, that aside, the last step is this lever right here. I already have this pulled up. Technically, when you have this locked in, that's going to be down like that. So whenever I want to pull this apart, I lift up and out, and that drops everything. That's all there is to it. Polaris Glacier plow setups. We have them in stock. We have them installed on a couple of Polaris ATVs as we speak. So if you're looking to get prepared for the wintertime, come see us. Twig Cycles, Hagerstown, Maryland, 200 South Edgewood Drive. Your boy Ben is out.